New process to make you look younger is now being used for the first time here in Indianapolis. 24-hour News 8 anchor Karen Hensel has a first look at Lviv.
Debbie, this can be used for everyone from women wanting to get rid of these smile lines to the war veterans left with scars. And for the first time, only 24-hour News 8 is showing you the new process, just FDA approved and now in Indianapolis. Please understand, these are dramatic before and after pictures, and some are graphic.
For the first time, the FDA has approved stem cell therapy for wrinkles, laugh lines.
So she went from there to there in a year. You couldn't do that with just peels. You couldn't do that simply with injectables.
Dr. Greg Chernoff is the first doctor in Indiana and one of few in the country to treat patients with the new process called Lviv.
And your fibroblasts are your own cells in your body that are responsible for making your own collagen, for making your own protein fibers.
Doctors take biopsies of skin from behind your ear because it's healthier, not being as exposed to the sun. Those are sent to FiberCell, a lab where within 90 days they grow your own fibroblasts.
This was science fiction 15 years ago.
Not a filler to get rid of lines, but your own cells.
This is the first FDA-approved form of tissue culturing of our own human tissue.
Dr. Chernoff has been part of the studies of the new therapy for the last 10 years. One of his first patients during the study back then to receive the therapy was Oklahoma City bombing victim Roya Grizel, who he named his foundation after.
This is what she looked like right after the bomb, so she was essentially shredded from head to toe.
Big difference 3 months after Lviv, then 1 year, and then 3 years after Lviv.
It's a misconception for patients because patients are asking us to compare this to fillers. This isn't another filler. This could really be considered your own protein repair system. It's like planting the seeds in the garden.
It has helped other patients like this woman raped at knife point, her before and after Lviv. And this case, the before and after of a woman, the wife of a California congressman who was shot in the face.
We're taking your own tissue, multiplying your seeds, and then re-injecting them into your body where they develop a new blood supply, they live, and for the rest of your life then they'll continue to make your own collagen.
Important for Iraq war veterans like James Huddleston of Indianapolis, injured in a parachute accident with the 82nd Airborne Division.
A very deep scar that runs from his temple all the way down to his lip.
Huddleston is about to undergo Lviv, remove the physical scars, and the mental healing can begin.
And we will continue to follow Iraq War veteran James Huddleston of Indianapolis as he goes through the procedure. Plus, parents are now interested in banking their child's stem cells. That's in case of a traumatic accident down the line. They want this as an option. Cost is around $4,000. It does last a lifetime. Compare that to fillers like Juvederm that cost around $1,600 and last only months, so you do have to repeat that process with the fillers. Dr. Chernoff has helped victims of violence pay for this through his foundation with Roya Grizel. Again, it is FDA approved at this point only to get rid of these wrinkle laugh lines, but already he is helping so many others. Eric.
Big transformation. Thanks, Karen.